Maybe one point I want to a little bit dwell upon is the challenges that is required to roll out this. As you know, any major disruptions bring challenge of adoption during the initial rollout. But good part is here we are dealing with engineers who are wired to try new things. So it's an easy problem to solve when deploying the things. I think the generative design technology maturity and adaptation, I see as a three major challenges to be successfully done. One is definitely the mindset change. So because we have this long-standing product development processes that have been matured over years and decades, and it's difficult to change because it involves a huge cost of change. I think we need to have a focused approach for initial experimentation to rapidly learning these things and then move towards a large scale deployments. The second part, which is important, is a product qualification and certifications. Like certainly in industries like aerospace or automotive, where safety is paramount and it requires extensive testing for radically new designs. The cost, the lead time to complete qualification of these new designs could be a barrier unless there are significant benefits and impact to the change. The third one is a decision-making process. Like when you are leaving those decisions for the generative design to give the options, evaluating these many options, getting the feedback from the suppliers, either from a cost, quality, and lead time on these designs that are generated and arriving at a decision to sometimes becomes time-consuming if conventional manufacturing methods are used. I think as other panelists said, it should not be thought through as only though it's a product life cycle, it should not be taken as only the design phase impact on the generative design. From the concept to the launch and how once a product is launched, how do we maintain those products? Like so it has to be taken as an end-to-end approach of, and that requires a consolidated effort across. These three challenges that I mentioned may not be hard roadblocks to address, but require very thoughtful investments to handle and address it. Some of them cannot be done at an individual level. It has to be done at an industry level, working with the peers, suppliers, tool providers, and most importantly, the certification authorities as well, to set some standards and guidelines as we smoothly transition into using these latest generative design methods and the tools. That's my view.